Hi everyone, welcome to Gunpla. For today we're gonna do another unboxing, and we're gonna unbox the Universal Century High Grade RGM-79G or the GM Commando or GM Commando. So this Universal Century High Grade is number 046. So it's 046. And this unit was released in 2004. As you can see, this is how the model kit looks like. And these are the weapons included. It has a machine gun or a rifle and then a saber. This model unit costs 720 yen or $9 Canadian, or that's $6 US. Let's check what's inside. So you have two plastic bags. The first bag contains two runners. One runner is the runner C, and then the other one is the runner A. The next bag consists of the B runners. So we have two runners here, B1 runner, and the other one is the B2 runner, as well as the polycaps, which is inside the bag. And the manual. So you can see this is the manual for the RGM-79G GM Command or GM Command. These are the specs. Let's see what's inside. So these are some of the posts and description. It has a saber in it. This model kit has a functional saber. And this is the line art for the gym. This is the runner list. And then this is the instruction. Now let's see the runner up close. This is the runner A. So you have the torso, the one in the head, the feet, the shield, as well as some joints and the hands. We have runner B1, which is the lighter color. You have the head, the feet, some of the feet armor, and some of the padding in the shoulders. Here's the runner B2, which is one of the other lighter color. This is the armor for the feet, the skirt, the shield, and some of the panel armors around the body. This is the runner C. As you can see, it has some of the joints as well as the weapons for the GM Command. And then you have the polycaps. And then the foil sticker. The foil sticker consists of the red part in the cockpit as well as the chin and the green part in the head. Again, we're gonna build this and we're gonna do a review video of this model kit. So stay tuned for that video. If you really like the unboxing of this model kit, please subscribe and hit that like button. And thank you for watching.